Here we go, fourth graders. Our learning target today is I can create a number pattern by following a rule and explain it. And we're also going to be working on I can find the rule for a given pattern and explain how I know. So let's take a look here. This is an input-output box. It looks a little bit different than ones you've seen in your math journal. We're going to be using Google Sheets for this. And my question for you is this, looking at these numbers here and thinking about what the pattern is. What is the rule? So the rule would be that when I put this in here, I get some number following that rule. Then here you have to think backwards a little bit. What would the rule have to be to get this number here? And then here's that same rule, or same thing. So here it's kind of like you're doing it backwards. So for instance, if the rule was multiplying on this side, you'd have to think of it here like division. If this rule was adding, you would think of it as subtracting on the opposite side. So what I'm going to do is give you some time to work this out and think about what the rule is. And you can write that in right here, and then I'm also going to have you write it in on a Google form.